Oh! Time!
Archie is flying the drone together with the children.
Ito yung akyat baba. Sino susunod? Si ate o si kuya?
Ako na.
Si kuya. Mamalak the gate. Tagal, aligan na, oy! Magsasara na yung dagat.
Taking long time to lock the gate. Here I am. Oh no!
Magandang araw! Kamusta kayo sa lahat? We are very excited today because we're going back swimming. We're going to the beach after a very long time. Only half a day to try out because we were sick for some time. But especially the children and me, of course, also are very excited to go swimming. Come, let's go!
We will support his musicality, and maybe someday he will be a musician if he likes to. Or maybe he will start a band with his sister and his cousins.
Me also.
And with of course, but by the time they will start a band, you will be quite old already. Maybe they don't want you in the band. We will start our own band, okay?
Yeah, we will start our own band.
We
What
will
is
be
the name?
their
We
pre-band.
call it home band.
We call it home band.
There's a free kubo for us.
Come on. You're already closing the window again.
Why you close the window?
Finally, we will touch the beach again.
Yeah, let's go down so you can touch the
Yes,
the water
let's go.
already. Oh, there's a people. Let's go! Oh, yan.
What kind of houses are there, Saukwat?
Where? That one, the small one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think they are the Palawan, the native people of Palawan, where we came from.
And they're living here also?
Yeah,
or?
they live in this tiny house. Look, ang cute, oh. Yeah, they call it house. No,
Call
they
it
live very
house, we call
simple.
it home.
Yeah, they call it home also there. Yan mga pre, oh. Diyan lang sila. Yeah, they're the one who built this nipa thingy. Oh, look, oh. Oh, ang presko, no?
Yeah.
It's really refreshing.
The children are already saying, swimming.
Yeah, swimming. Swim na tayo, saglit lang. Hindi pa natin nababa yung mga damit nyo at saka tuwalya. Oh, may mga naiwan pala na shoes. Ayun, oh. Mga upos tayo na sigarilyo mga pre. Sana hindi tayo ganito sa ating kapaligiran. Mamaya damputin natin yung mga yan. Okay natin. Right, we will pick it up, okay?
Yeah.
But with the gloves. No?
Yeah, it's not.
Okay. Oh, ready na.
Ready.
Malakas ang kiliti mo dito.
We missed so much to go swimming. We just realized also it was so important for us to go swimming that we forgot the food. We didn't bring much down, only a little bit of
Yeah, we forget the things that we used to bring. Ice. Here, hindi na may init dito. Here, it's not so ice. There. Oh, you touched the sun! Ayan na! Thank you, Lord!
Let's go!
Let's go! Time, come! After almost 1 month ata. It's almost 1 month, Aniko, no? Long time.
Timmy, come
Thank you, Lord. Oy. Open arm. Maganda yung tubig mga pre, kalmado. Hindi siya masyadong maalon. Ayan lang oh. Timmy! Si Ella, takot pa si Ella.
The water is really clear, like I don't know, like a window, like glass.
Yeah, grabe oh. You can show the water, look.
Here, when it comes, oh, beautiful!
Wow, super clear.
Tara, ligo tayo!
Where have you been all my life? Lonely nights, you were always there at the same damn bar. I just never looked your way. And I've seen every ocean, but I've never seen a color blue. Looking into your eyes.
We need to change, we need to change. Timmy wants to go to mama. Ella will go to papa. Oh, oh, lalaki ng alon dito banda. Uy. Oh, ang back dog. Mama, tignan mo, mama si Ella oh. Oh, swimming na siya oh. Marunong na. Oh. Gusto niya na matuto mga pre. Lokman, Lokman?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Papa, I'm back.
Arm back?
I'm back.
Arm back?
I'm back.
No, gusto niya talagang walang kamay to. Back daw, tanggal. We're going back. Surok, surok. We going surok, surok, Timmy? Hoy, Timmy, lika na, Timmy! How's your feeling? Fulfillment now?
Very
Oh,
happy.
this one is also. Wow.
I just have this here. Ice now. Ice.
Timmy's getting ice cream.
Ice.
Pandi Coco
Funny
with
Coco.
coconut filling inside.
You mentioned ice cream before, so it's stuck in their head now.
Sometimes I need to bola-bola the kids para sumama or pumayag sa gusto namin. Kaya ayan, natatandaan nila. We always remember, no?
Come on.
I always say don't pull at them because they remember.
Tita.
Ja, Klaus, du meinst Salat.
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 Dankeschön. Na, oh, Entschuldigung, Alter.
Kagat pa ta.
Sorry, Ella.
Wow. Timmy and Ella found a new friend. There. Hello kayo sa camera. Hello ate, kuya. They're very friendly. They are the one who taking care of this beach. Asawa ko. Lumapit sila dito. They went here for a picture with Ella. Nakitang kasi sila kay Ella.
Archie is flying the drone together with the children. And everybody wants to watch.
Yan. Ito yung akyat baba. Up and down. Tapos ito yung urong sulong kaliwa kanan.
Uy, pagkalayo na.
Nasaan na siya? Ayun.
Dito, papunta mo dito sa akin.
Ayusin mo, makabunggo na. Kahoy.
Sino susunod? Si ate o si kuya?
Ako muna.
Si kuya. Andito pala. Tapos na kami magturuan ng tapos na kami magturo ng drone. Kaya gusto na naman nito maligo ng dalawa. Ha? O, dito si Ate Ella. Ate Ella na lang, Ate Ella. Ayan, Ate Ella. Maligo muna kami, ha?
Sige po.
Ayan sila. Happy sila kasi natuto sila mag-fly ng drone. mga friendly na taga dito. Ang cute na mga bata. Nalambing nila. They are very malambing ano ko, no?
Yes, very nice.
Yeah.
Picnics are really mean.
Sali na naman siya na niknik mga pre. Paborito ka talaga ng mga niknik, no? Your legs is favorite of niknik?
Yes, they are favorite of Nick and I don't know why, but they're only attacking the back of my legs. I don't know if there's a theory about that already, but it's really annoying.
For them, it's a dessert.
Yeah,
Special dessert.
yeah, very painful.
So one last time na maligo. Yan na. I-request sa Ella, maligo daw ulit. Ligo tayo ulit. Ligo, ligo. Ko, solo ko. Oh.
I don't know if it's soothing or more painful with the Nick bites in the salt water.
Yeah, of course. Painful.
But also a little bit cooling, so both. Painful, soothing.
Wow! Baba ka! Ayan na!
Ay, 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 ay!
Time! Woo! Lalaki na ala ng mga pre. Time, yan na Time!
Oh, yeah, 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 yeah.
Woo! Time din, Time! Time! Ay, ay, ay. Yan na, Time!